Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is itong anim na MMORPG games na pwede kayong kumita ng up to 500 pesos daily. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag meron tayong panibagong upload regarding these games. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So, today, pag-usapan natin ngayon itong anim na MMORPG games na pwede kayong kumita ng up to 500 pesos daily. Anyway, guys, yung 500 pesos na yan, no, would really depend on your grind time sa game na to. Hindi ko sinasabi na easy money to and I don't want you to treat this as your job or anything. Alright, sabi ko nga part-time kung estudyante kayo tapos nabuboring kayo sa bahay at wala kayong ginagawa and gusto nyong kumita, then you can actually try these games and explore this para kumita kayo ng pera. Again, none of these are intended to be a financial advice kasi hindi naman talaga tayo financial advisor, guys. Okay? And gusto ko lang kayong bigyan ng idea kung ano yung mga games na at least meron kayong pwedeng kitain instead of naglalaro lang kayo ng game na wala kayong kinikita. No? Anyway. So, let's start first with Porting World. Now, si Porting World, guys, it was established a couple of months ago. Alright, I think mga 1 month pa lang naman na-establish si Porting World or more than that. But anyway, ang founder nito, guys, is si Big Daddy Dax, okay, which is a known personality sa crypto space. And nag-create siya ng server which is a free-to-play server and wala siyang donate. So, ibig sabihin, kawang gawa tong ginawa ni Big Daddy. So, shoutout sa'yo, bro. Solid tong ginawa mong server. The community itself is really good kasi ang players nito when it started was around 6,000, I think, yung online peak nila. So, right now, marami pa rin players na naglalaro nito and the RMT is really, really good. Isa sa mga subscriber natin, which is si Luisito, ay naglalaro dito sa Poring World. No, and so para paldo daw dito sa Poring World. So, ang good thing about it is that since it's a player-driven community, yung community mismo yung nagde-decide kung ano yung magiging presyo at rate ng Zenny dito. Okay, and also ng mga items. So marami pa ring rarity items dito because it's kind of new. Okay, though hindi na siya the same with how it started kasi syempre marami na ring nakapagpa-level at nakakapag-farm sa mga higher tier maps. So yung rarity ng mga item is konti-konting bumababa. But then again, the rate of this is a classic one. So expect nyo na mahirap talagang makaloot and also mag-farm ng Zenny dito. So, usually, ang way to earn dito is selling items, selling accounts, or you can actually sell the in-game currency. Okay, which is Zenny. Alright? Now, let's go to the next game, which is also founded by a Filipino, okay, na si Jordan Manyo. So, si Jordan Manyo naman, nakilala siya sa networking industry, no? And currently, tinayo niya tong si RF Philippines with the goal that it also provides the nostalgic experience. I think same thing with Ragnarok or Pouring World ni Big Daddy Tax. Pero ito kasi guys, meron siyang donation. Okay? But anyway, the community is also good in this game. I think the current players is ranging between 1,000 to 1,500 players in a daily basis. So, I think active na active pa rin ang community and also meron siyang community not just in our country, it also has a community outside. I think same thing with Pouring World as well. May mga international players din. Okay? But anyway, dito naman sa server na to, ang bentahan is also items, accounts, and also yung in-game currency. So, yung in-game currency dito, ang bentahan niyan, depende sa kung anong race kayo. Kung Belato kayo, of course, iba yung rate sa Belato na currency. Okay, so ganun lang din naman nag-work sa ibang races dito sa RF Philippines. So, I also featured this on my channel and ginawa natin siya ng video tutorial kung paano kayo magpo-farm. So you can check it out. I think that was last year. Up to now naman active ang community and so far maganda pa rin naman ang bigayan ng RMT dito. Okay? Now, the third game that I always include on my top MMORPG games is Flight Universe. Now, bakit laging nandito si Flight? Unang-una sa lahat, Flight is one of the best games that you can play right now in terms of RMT kasi hindi pa din bumababa ng sobra yung rate dito. And there are multiple ways on how you can actually make money here. Meron ditong leeching service, pwede ka ring mag-pilot dito. I think it also goes with Boring World and RF Online Philippines. You can also be a pilot and you can also leech some of the newbies, no? Para sa, it's either in-game currency. But Flight Universe has it all, no? Selling items, selling accounts, leeching service, pilot servicing, everything, no? And also selling in-game currency, which is si Peña. Okay? Now, si Flight Universe, medyo matagal na to guys. And ang laging inaabangan ng mga players dito is the FWC server release. But kung ayaw nyo naman mag-FWC, kasi ang FWC guys, magra-run lang naman siya. Basically good for like 6 months to 9 months, mga ganon. But anyway, si FWC server, nare-release siya during, I think, March to April. Basta between those months, no? And ang mangyayari is kapag tapos na yung FWC server, matatransfer nyo naman sa original server nyo. Ako ang server natin dito is Totemia and Mushboy. So, dun sa dalawang server na yun, medyo maganda ang RMT and maraming buyers talaga, guys. Okay? So, in terms of rate, currently stable naman siya. Usually, mga around 1.5 to 2 pesos per, ano yan eh, per penye. Or per 100k penye, I think. Okay? Teka lang. 1M. 1M pala guys, sorry, 1M, 1M. No, 1M penny is equivalent to 1 or 1.5 PHP. So, madali lang i-farm yun guys kung marunong kayo ng dungeon tricks dito sa Flight Universe. Which is, i-release natin yung video natin about the dungeon. Basically, probably around next week or next week kasi hindi ko talaga mabigyan ng time guys gumawa ng video ng detailed tutorial. So, ito na lang yung ginawa natin kasi marami naghahanap ng RMT games ngayon. Okay? Now, the next game is Albion Online. Now, ito, napakarami kong guide nito, guys. No, si Albion Online. And that's, I still think that it's valid. Okay? Pero the best way to make money here is to sell yung in-game currency nila, which is silver. Okay? Now, dito, ang rate is naglalaro between 15 pesos to 18 pesos per 1M silver. Alright, it's still good, lalo na kung ratter kayo, guys. Ratter means that you will always go to every CTAs ng iba't ibang guilds and then you are just going to loot items. So, para magiging scrap holder kayo or tama, parang ganun nga, no? So, kumbaga, picking up scraps from the dead bodies, no? Yun ang gagawin nyo. And you would average around, I say, 20M every time that you are ratting. Depende kung gaano na kayo kagaling mag-rat and also kung ano na yung level ng masteries nyo doon sa character nyo. Kasi usually kapag mababa yung mastery nyo, madali lang kayo mapatay eh. So, it would still depend on your masteries. But you can check my guides. No? Ang dami kong ginawang guides about Albion on how to spec up and how you'll be able to progress. So, check nyo na lang yan. I think that was 2023 or 2022 pa. Okay? So, anyway, kung gusto niyo ng updated guide dito, maglalabas tayo ng updated guide pero kailangan ko muna magpa-spec ng account ko dahil naban tayo dito before. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Now, the next game is Yggdrasil RO. Okay, itong si Yggdrasil naman, founded naman to ni Yoshitaka. So, this is the only Ragnarok na multi-platform. So, pwede kayo sa Android, pwede sa iOS, pwede rin sa Windows. So, the community itself is also good. Medyo malaki din yung player base ni Yggdrasil and so far, solid din naman ang RMT dito sa game na to. Active ang community and talagang hindi kayo may scam dito. Why? Kasi si Yoshitaka pwede yung mag-midman sa inyo, guys. And just in case na may mga scam sa inyo, matitrace agad yung account nun. Okay? So, ganun siya kasimple. But anyway, the RMT is still good. Ano yung mga ways on how you can make money here? Again, selling in-game currency, most of the time selling items na yun yung nakikita ko sa buy and sell GC ng Yggdrasil, no? Selling items and also selling an account. Okay? So that's the good thing. And Pilipino pa rin yung may-ari nito, guys. Pero so far, medyo stable naman yung server. 3 months na po, guys, no? Si Yggdrasil. So medyo maganda-ganda din yan. And sabi ko nga, player-driven community kasi yung Ragnarok. So, ayun yung isa sa mga the best things na pwede nating makita, no, dito sa ganitong klase ng game. The last but not the least, I think this is one of the games na hindi masyadong napapansin ng karamihan, especially yung mga generations ngayon kasi medyo luma na rin yung mga gameplay nito. But Run Online Pinas is still one of the best RMT games if you were going to ask me. This is founded by a Filipino as well, si Def Gaming, okay? So, si Def dati, isa sa mga players ng Tito Run Online yan, player ng Tito Run Online. So, nagkaroon siya ng idea to create a server and right now, I think it's almost 4 years since na-launch yung Run Online Pinas or 5 years. So far, still up pa rin. So, I think this is also a good game dahil ang dami nilang server ngayon. So, meron ng Stripe. Dati Stripe lang eh. May Havoc and may Fury. So, technically, ang goal ni Dep is to also create the same nostalgic experience sa Run Online naman. And I'm a Run Online player, guys, from EP3 hanggang EP9. No? Nalaro na natin lahat yan. And masasabi ko lang na ito yung isa sa mga pinaka magandang game na pwede nyo laruin pag RMT yung habol nyo. Especially if you know how to farm in the game. Okay? Now, these games that I suggested to you guys, magbabari pa rin yung kita nyo depending on the time spent and also sa mastery na meron kayo dito sa game. So, kung sa Albion may specifications na kailangan para umangat yung mastery nyo, ganun din sa game na to or sa mga games na to. Kasi syempre, kapag kabisado nyo na yung ginagawa nyo, mas madali siyang gawin and also, hindi kayo mabuburyong. Di ba? Kasi alam nyo na yung gagawin eh. Di ba? And if you know the steps on how you can make money, it would be a lot more easier. Okay? So anyway guys, kung meron man kayong mga questions or clarifications regarding this play to earn games, comment down below. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, walang related sa Web3 dito. Okay, lahat to is pure Web2 games. So gagawa natin yung mga Web3 games na currently existing and I will give you the rate of each of them. Okay? Yun lang guys, maraming salamat ulit sa panonood and alam nyo na, this is BM again and peace out.